Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 8 on the topic compressible flow. In the today's class, we'll solve some problems on the Mach angle. Let me read the problem. Projectile is traveling in air having a pressure and temperature as 8.829 Newton per square centimeter and minus 2 degrees centigrade. If the Mach angle is 40 degree, find the velocity of the projectile. Take k equal to 1.4 and r is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. It has asked us to calculate the velocity of the projectile. That means velocity v he has asked us to calculate. So pressure of the air, it is given in Newton per square centimeter. We have converted it in a Newton per meter square. Temperature he has given minus 2 degrees centigrade. We have converted it in Kelvin by adding 273 Kelvin. So temperature is 271 Kelvin. Mach angle, it is alpha is 40 degree he has given. K equal to 1.4 and R is as constant 287 joules per kg Kelvin. Let the velocity of the projectile is equals to V. So this only he has asked us to calculate. Already we are having the angle Mach angle, it is sine alpha is equals to C by V. It is nothing but 1 divided by M. 1 divided by M is nothing but we can write this as C by V also, no problem. Sine 40 degree, if we calculate sine 40 degree, it is 0.6427 is equals to C by V. So already we know the formula. Velocity of the sound C is given by root of A into R into T. All these values are already given. A is given, R is given, T we have calculated. So it is 329.98 meters per second, approximately equal to 330 meters per second. So sine 40, that is nothing but 0.6427 is equals to C divided by V. C already we have calculated 330 divided by V. Therefore V is equals to 330 divided by 0.6427, that is 513 meters per second. So this is the velocity of the projectile V, 513 meters per second. At 10 degrees centigrade at a speed of 1500 kilometers per hour, he has asked us to find the Mach number and the Mach angle. Take k equal to 1.4 and r equal to 87 joules per kg Kelvin. So pressure, again we have converted it here in Newton per meter square. It is centimeter, so it is wrong here. Newton per meter square. So temperature 10 degrees centigrade he has given. We have converted it in Kelvin, that is 283 Kelvin. So speed of the projectile he has given, that is 1500 kilometers per hour. So we have converted it in meters per second. 1500 kilometer, we have converted it in meter by multiplying 1000. So hour we have converted it in seconds. 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. So my answer is that the speed of the projectile V is 416.67 meters per second. Where k equal to 1.4, r equal to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. For adiabatic process, already we know that the velocity of the sound is given by C equal to root of kRt. K value is given, R value is, that is gas constant is standard, temperature is 283, that is we have converted in Kelvin. So my velocity of the sound C is 337.2 meters per second. So Mach number, he has asked us to calculate the Mach number, where Mach number is given by the formula V divided by C. We have calculated 416.67 divided by C is 337.2. So my Mach number is 1.235. Similarly, we will calculate Mach angle also. So Mach angle is given by the formula sine alpha is equals to C divided by V. It is nothing but 1 divided by M. So 1 divided by M is 1.235, where sine alpha is 0.8097. So therefore alpha is equals to sine inverse of this answer. So my sine, that is angle alpha is 54.06 degree is my Mach angle. Go for next problem. Degree, take R equal to 287.14 joules per kg Kelvin and K equal to 1.4 for air. Assume temperature as 15 degree centigrade. So here Mach angle directly alpha he has given 30 degree. R we know the gas constant as 287.14, because instead of 287 he has given 0.4. Data direct itself value he has given here. We'll take that value only, 87.14 joules per kg Kelvin. A is 1.4. This temperature T is 15 degrees centigrade, and we have converted it in Kelvin. It is 15 plus 273 is 288 degree Kelvin. Again we know the formula, that is velocity of the sound C is given by root of kRt. Substituted all the values and my velocity of sound is 340.25 meters per second. Again sine alpha is equals to C by V. So sine angle alpha he has given Mach angle, it is sine 30 is equals to 340.25 divided by V. He has asked us to calculate the velocity of the bullet, that is V. Therefore V is equals to 340.25 divided by sine 30 degree. It should be sine 30. So therefore velocity V is equals to 680.5 meters per second. This is sine 30 and not sine 20. This is sine 30. We'll go for next. An airplane is flying at an altitude of 15 kilometer where the temperature is minus 50 degrees centigrade. The speed of the plane corresponds to Mach number of 1.6. Assuming k equal to 1.4, R equal to 287 joules per kg Kelvin for air, find the speed of the plane and the Mach angle alpha. He has asked us to calculate the speed of the plane, means we have to calculate V and Mach angle alpha. So height of the plane he has given, that is h 15 kilometer. So this is not necessary for us in any of the calculation. So this is an extra data. The temperature T he has given minus 50 degrees centigrade. Again we have converted it in Kelvin. Minus 50 plus 273 is 223 degree Kelvin. So Mach number he has given 1.6. K 1.4 already it is given. R is 287 joules per kg Kelvin. So he has asked us to calculate the speed of the plane V and Mach angle alpha. So velocity of the sound wave, that is C, is given by the formula C is equal to root of K into RT. So by substituting all these values, so where my answer is C is 229.33 meters per second. So using the relation for Mach angle, we get sine alpha is equals to C by V. That is nothing but 1 divided by M I can write here. V by C. This same formula written in this form. V divided by C. That is nothing but 1 divided by M. That is 1 divided by Mach number is 1.6 already given. So this is 0.625. Sine alpha is 0.625. Therefore alpha is equals to sine inverse of this. So this is 38.68 degree answer. So speed of the plane we have not calculated here, where which is given by the formula Mach number is given by, it is M is equals to V divided by C. Mach number is already given 1.6. So C also we have already calculated, it is 229.33. So with that easily we can calculate the speed of the plane V. That after calculation, that V we are going to get it as 478.928 meters per second. Just calculate it, speed of the plane V. My speed of the plane V is 478.928 meters per second. So this completes the problematic part from the Mach angle and propagation of pressure waves and velocity of the sound. So in the next class, we will study last part of the module, that is stagnation properties. We'll study in the next class.